friends, welcome to Pistacchio graphic channel. I have designed this project for you. This is a support laser to my project CNC laser engraver. If you like this project and you want to learn more about this, the first link in the description is to download my ebook. Open a new file here. We start with the sketch. Make this a center. Okay. We make this as 80 with 45 millimeters. Take the measuring tool, 80 5 millimeters. Okay. We can start here doing all the holes. There are 8 holes here, about 3.2 millimeters. We can initialize with the 8 holes here. Here and here. Okay. Every hole have the same measurement. You can select all of them. Make this equal. It's 2.2 millimeters. We know that these are aligned vertically. Okay. These and these are aligned horizontally. Okay. And these are aligned horizontally. Okay. Go to the measurements. We have a distance of 30 millimeters. These are 30 millimeters. Take this distance by the half. We know that this is 6 millimeters here, 6 millimeters, and have a distance of 40 millimeters here and here. 40 millimeters. Okay, these are fixed. We need to do this 6 millimeters, 6, 32 by a half. Okay. These are aligned in the middle, and the last distance is 38. 38. Okay. For this base, we have 5 millimeters of extrude. And extrude is 5. Now we can do this degree here, 8 by 30. Select this face, make a line by the middle here and here. These are 8 millimeters. Distance by 2 millimeters here. 30 millimeters, center, aligned horizontally. The same here. measurements here and here. Align horizontally. The distance between is the same as the hole, 40. Here is 40 millimeters. Note that is 3 millimeters of extrusion. This and this 3 millimeters. Okay, we can return Ctrl Z. Remember, we can project these holes here, here, and here. Okay. Extrude 3 millimeters. Okay. Now we have this aligned. In this top face, we can do some Xing. Choose the polygon. Now we can project these holes here to make a polygon with 6 sides. Make this align to the others needed here, here, and here. Okay, make all them aligned vertically. 5.6 millimeters. The same. The same. And the same. And keep extrude this 5 part negative 2.5 millimeters. Perfect. Now we can rotate the part here. Make some 4 holes here with 6 millimeter. The part here. Select the bottom face. Project the 5 circles in the middle. Make these 4 circles. We don't need this project here. Now we can select all of them. Make this equal. In the dimension tool, we can make this 5 millimeters. This is a hole with 3.2 millimeters of depth. Select all of them. Minus 3.2 millimeters. Okay. To finalize this project, we can do some fillets here. 5 millimeters. On these corners. 5 millimeters. In the middle, 2 millimeters. These 8 are 2 millimeters. Okay. This is an easy one. Remember, if you like this video, you can comment in the description. If you want to download this ebook, you can download this in the first link of the description. And follow this playlist to do the CNC laser engraver. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.